Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Hi Taurus, it's Sai. This is weekly reading. This is general, may or may not resonate everyone. So take what resonates and leave the rest. Energy could be vice versa, guys. So let's see what are the messages for you and what's going on. Guys, this is general. If it is not resonate, don't force to fit in. So let's see what are the messages for you and what's going on. Taurus, what are the messages for you and what's going on? Taurus, what are the messages for you and what's going on? Maybe the person involved in this connection could be Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, especially Leo. Three of Pentacles, Four of Cups, the Sun with Ten of Swords. I think you're very tired. Your energy is drained, Taurus. But there is some shift is coming in your life which is very positive. And you're feeling missed opportunity, especially in relationship. In career wise, your money is very good. But in relationship wise, you're feeling missed opportunity. But someone is coming to reconcile with you. I think in past there is no partnership, there is no collaboration between you and your person, but someone is coming for reconciliation. So let's see our reading. Recent past, Ace of Wands, strength and Five of Wands. There is passion between you and your person. At the same, there is lot of drama was going between you and your person. And you are fed up with the drama, and if you are fed up with that energy, then you are taking your control back. Yes, you want to stand by your power and you want to take your control back, and you did it. You overcome all that pain, maybe all that drama, all that energy. Then present Wheel of Fortune, Seven of Swords and Six of Cups. I think you're waiting for right time to make a decision here. One person is sneaky in this connection, maybe miscommunication or false communication. But you are thinking about this person a lot because maybe you both have strong soulmate connection or past life connection with each other. But you are in some confusion state. Taurus. Future, Eight of Pentacles, Two of Pentacles and Eight of Wands. You're still focusing on your career, on your abundance, and you're very focused to achieving your goals. But you are juggling, maybe you're juggling between your head over heart situation because there is no clarity in this connection. Maybe there are some trust issues between you and your person, what I'm getting here, because someone is sneaking this connection. There is no trust between you and your person, and Eight of Wands energy, lots of communication will coming for you in near future. You will receive lots of communication, and the person involved in this connection could be Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, or Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Very less water energy, Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio. So Taurus, let's see your person current feelings and their intentions towards you. Then we will get more clarity what's going between you and your person. Wow, communication. Lots of communication is coming for you, Taurus. And Page of Pentacles. Maybe they did hurt you. They want to say apology to you. Children's also involved in this connection. If you are in separation, they want reconciliation with you. So let's see their current feelings and intention. Cards are jumping. Maybe they walked away from this connection, but now they have regrets. They're thinking about the issues between you and your person. Right now, you both are in no contact situation, and your person is stuck on you. They want to make action. So let's see their intentions also. Then I will explain clearly. Maybe the person involved in this connection could be Scorpio. High Priestess, Knight of Wands and Eight of Pentacles. Yes, you person really thinking about to work on this relationship. Right now they're trusting their intuition and they're very, very attracted to you, Taurus, and they want to work on this relationship. But there are some trust issues between you and your person. So they want to leave behind everything that is negativity, arguments between you and your person. So they want to make action towards you. For some, your person is very dominant and very aggressive in nature, but they're thinking about right now commitment because Death, Hierophant, and Page of Wands. So they keep tabs on you if you're in separation. So they're still very, very attracted to you. They want rebirth in this connection. So you will receive some text or communication from your person, and yes, there is a chance for lots of communication from your person end. Yeah, they want reconciliation with you guys, but there are some issues. So let's pull some cards from universe where this connection is headed on and the outcome. Ten of Cups. For some, maybe your person is already married, maybe you already married. Yeah, there are some issues. Maybe for some third party involved in this connection, it could be the issues. For some family could be the issue here. Some truth coming out, communication. Maybe near future, yes, justice, maybe. For some, there will be reconciliation. They are coming back for second chances. And for some, you also want this person back into your life. There is communication and clarity is coming, Taurus. Maybe the person involved in this connection could be Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, especially Libra. So let's see mutual. There is a high chances for new beginnings between you and your person. Yes, there are some trust issues between you and your person. There are illusions. Maybe one person hiding something from the other person. But for some, they are manifesting you or you are manifesting them. But you both are very powerful couple because King of Wands energy. You both have strong passion towards each other. Yes, you will receive communication and but there are some issues, guys, for some third party involved. For some, maybe one person is playing games with other person, someone is sneaking this connection, then it's up to you. So let's see some messages from your person and through the channel, Taurus. Long distance relationship. For some, you both live in different cities, countries, or states, and I am crazy about you. Religious factors, reconciliation, new love is coming, healing. So the messages are healing, long distance relationship, new love is coming, religious factors, reconciliation. I am crazy about you. So let's see some messages from Moon Oracle deck, Taurus. You and your loved ones are safe. New moon in Cancer energy. So if you are worrying about your person, maybe you are in long distance relationship, this is message for you. You and your loved ones are safe. Maybe if you are worrying about your family also. A time to give rather than take. New moon in Virgo energy. So the person who is taking always in this connection, not giving in return, this is the message for that person. So this is the time to give rather than take. The answers you need are coming. Full moon in Gemini under the deck. Gemini energy. So this is the reading for you guys. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. Then you will get all my video notifications. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Thank you.